Hi everyone. Today I would like to continue on the pipeline. So last time we have tried to install the build agent and also try a small example of the Beauty and TOML file. Now let's see this is the locally now in my PC, right? And I would like when we see when we'd like to start. Let's see exit from here, clear and Beauty shell. This command will try to yeah from Beauty shell. So this command will try to create a new environment. It's like Anaconda environment. Why I'm typing today for. So now if I would like see if in the TOML file I have this I will use Python 3.11 and this is the package that I need to run my examples. And to install this put install easy command, and this will try to generate a log file. Let's start. This might, yeah, it's fast. Cool. Now see, I need to run the test command. So for instance, I have some. Let me just delete this because this will be generated when I run the test command. So I have some test here with the test, yeah, here. Some test cases. This is just simple test. So by for instance here add a plus b, and if you see here test 2 plus 2 on 3, it has to be 5, and etc. This is simple test. It's just showing the, the pipeline. Now if I run this command, this here beauty run Pytest. This is the Pytest, you see it's imported here, and this is the folder where the test cases are here in the tests, and try to generate this GUnit and XML file. Just click yes. Now we see here we have 5 cases. It's already passed, and you can see it in the. But here you see it's not. It's a good visualization, but it's just for now. See here's the error is 0, filia is 0, skipped out, and here test cases are 5, and everything was passed. Let's see correctly. But now this command, this test cases, it's I will see it's helpful to add it in the pipeline. So let's see here. I will open my pipeline here. The let's back to this. I already prepared this, fix some errors, and just make it ready. So for last time I also showed you how to create a pipeline, but now let's see this is the Git sources from Azure Git repo, and here I would like to trigger the develop branch. Here I want to use Python 3.11. Also, this is already explained in the last videos. It's already uploaded. So, and now here I need to install not by Beauty, but this is the need just to make it consistent. Install. Then here it's just to show you the directory, but this is not needed. I will just remove it. This will be also removed. And here's the dependencies. This Beauty max, it just use, let's see, in one core. Let's see, no parallel here. And here the lock is needed. Install only diff. And here I try to add Skyline. but it's already in the not here. If you see Skyline, okay, it's not. I haven't added here. I have indeed a lot of issues here, and this is the Pytest as I run it in my PC, and this is to publish the result. And if you see what I mean by publishing results, leave and let me open this, and you can see the test cases, how many test cases we pass. And you see I have in the beginning was Fila. Now you can see the test cases. If you want to see all the cases, you can see, so for instance passed, and how much time it took. And this is the pipeline. And now when I see the the pipeline, what I mean by pipeline, let's see, go to project settings and repos, now classification, policies, and master branch. In master branch I have added this. When I try to merge any changes to the master branch, this pipeline has to trigger. So let's try. For instance, I have here, this is a develop branch. Also develop branch, it's not editable, it has to be protected, but just for now. Protectable means you can't update it directly. If you want, you can use pull request. I also have explained in the past video. So let's say I just add some just space here, and I will see commit. Now if I go to the repo and go to pull request, new pull request, and you can see I need to, this is the file I have edit, and it's only adding space, and this is a commit. Now let's see, I need to add this develop to master branch. So I will also here you can add the reviewer who should review code. Now I will click create. Now you see the pipeline has to be triggered automatically. See this one here. So it means I will try to see if your changes or my changes it's running successfully in the other PC, then I can merge it to master branch. If not, it's not possible to run. But I'm not quite sure how much time this would take. Okay, it's fast, maybe. No. Yeah, almost done. Yeah. So now it's trying to publishing the code, right? Okay, let me show you is the publishing. Let's see, test cases. Now we will go back to repo. The pull request we have done is this one here. And you can see check, required check, may build successfully. Oh, build is succeeded. And I have at least one review have must to approve. So I will do it because I'm alone and complete. So now the new updates will be made to the develop from master to develop. And the file, it was only this one. Now let's try to change the test cases. Let's see in we can do it here in code or in the from the here from the website. I mean we can see here. Let me just change this one. I will make it this number here. 2 plus 3 is 52, which is wrong. So if I commit this, commit, and if I try now to make this to the master branch, I'm expected, I mean, it has to fail. So let's try. So I will go to pull request. I will try to add a new pull request. This is update, and you can see the changes what I have done. Change this 5 to 52. Now let's try this. It will try to run the build, and I'm expected because there's a failure in the test cases, so this means it won't be merging to the master branch. This is the expected. Let's see. Let's if I already select this, you can see in the edit pipeline test cases. Yeah, see, continue on error. This is unselected, unchecked. It means it has to fail and no merging to the master branch. Let's see it here. Yeah, see, agent job it's fail because test cases you can see here add positive numbers. The the test cases it has to be 5. Way 5 is, I mean, it has to be 5, but it's here in 52. So if you see, if you go here to the Bible to the repo, see the pull request. Now you can see here build agent build failed. So this means is to avoid adding incorrect or wrong code to your master branch, because the master branch will be the main point for any, let's see, any developer to start developing something. I will try to create a new branch for master branch, but we're assuming that master branch is working with any in any environment without any adding some other, let's see, uh, dependencies, because already installed in the P3 pipeline. So I also have I had some really issues because you have to install this C++ distribution. So you have to add to install the SDK10, and otherwise, I mean, if you are a developer with C++, you already did install this, so this one won't you won't have any issue here. So, but I don't know how to share this, but this is you can see it selected SDK. So, for instance, Windows SDK, SDK. Yeah, you need to install this 124.42, and where's the SDK in the last section here. You also need to select to choose this SDK 10 and 11, and this will solve your issue. Now, what we have learned from this today, from this lesson, it's that assume that you are adding or fixing some bugs in any branch, and now you fix this in your PC locally, and you would like to push these changes to the master branch so the other developers can use this your changes. I mean, including your changes. Now, the pipeline here ensure that your changes can be running without any error in the other environment. So that's why we have added some test cases. So if someone if any of these test cases are failed, so it won't merge to the develop branch. But by the way, test cases here are only general test cases. What we have to test is the classifier here. We need to test if we initialize the classification class. What was the expected, let's see, behavior when we try to train and evaluate what is the model environment, I mean, attributes. What is the size of the prediction output. What is the Y hat? This is, we need to test this, but because this is test case only a general for test purposes, only for a demo. I think that's it for today, and next video I will try to make a video how to make your code organized and follow some principal rules. We will do it next week, next video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.